Are you planning a camping trip? Are you an adventurous soul who loves nothing more than exploring the great outdoors? Do you love camping and spending time in nature, but hate the thought of eating cold canned food? If so, you're in luck, because we've got the perfect solution for you. Hey everyone, in this video, we will look at the 5 best camping stoves in 2023. We have compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more product information, I have included links in the description box below. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Camping Stove. This ultralight and compact folding canister stove is perfect for minimalist adventures, backpacking, hiking, trekking, camping, and global travel. Weighing only 2.6 ounces and measuring 2 by 2 by 3 inches when folded, this stove is the ideal companion for those looking to travel light without compromising on quality. One of the standout features of this stove is its impressive boiling speed, which allows you to boil 1 liter of water in just 3.5 minutes. The flame easily adjusts from a simmer to a rolling boil, making gourmet cooking and outdoors a breeze. This stove is fueled by high-performance isobutane propane fuel canister, which is readily available in most countries. The self-sealing threaded canister fuel is a convenient and reliable option for adventurers on the go. Setting up and operating this stove is simple and hassle-free, with no priming, preheating, or pressurizing required. The serrated pot supports can accommodate a wide range of pot sizes and styles, making it versatile and adaptable to various outdoor cooking scenarios. You can enjoy a hearty meal in minutes, even in the most remote locations. The lightweight protective case that comes with this stove ensures that it's easy to transport and keeps it safe during travel. This stove weighs just 2.6 ounces, and with the case is 4.2 ounces. This stove measures 4.8 by 4.8 by 3.6 inches when open and collapses to 2 by 2 by 3 inches, making it easy to store in your backpack or luggage. In conclusion, this stove is an excellent investment for outdoor enthusiasts who appreciate the convenience of a lightweight and compact stove without sacrificing quality and performance. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness or camping in the mountains, this stove will make your outdoor cooking experience effortless and enjoyable. At number 2 on the list is the Gas One Propane Camp Stove. For those who love outdoor cooking and adventure, this double-burner stove is a must-have. With 2 burner heads, this stove provides extreme heat for various cooking scenarios, making it ideal for tailgating, catering, and camping. This stove stands out for those looking for a little more range in their heat. The rugged construction of this double-burner stove ensures that it is designed to last. Along with its sturdy body, this stove comes with detachable legs, making portability convenient and easy to compartmentalize. Setting up this stove is a breeze, making outdoor cooking an enjoyable experience. This stove comes equipped with an adjustable high-pressure 0 to 5 psi steel braided regulator that allows for a secure source of gas flow. The regulator ensures a safe cooking experience by monitoring the propane gas flow and disallowing further leakage when internal or external issues are detected. The portable burner is supplied with 2 individual heat dials to control each specific flame. From simmering meat to boiling water, adjust the burner's flame to meet your precise need. The cast iron burners provide high heat output, making cooking a quick and easy process. To ensure versatility, this stove includes a windscreen that protects the flame from wind interference. The windscreen ensures that this stove is suitable for outdoor cooking even in windy conditions. In conclusion, this double-burner stove is an excellent investment for outdoor enthusiasts who appreciate the convenience of a rugged and durable stove without sacrificing quality and performance. Whether you're camping or tailgating, this stove will make your outdoor cooking experience effortless and enjoyable. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy restaurant-quality meals while enjoying the great outdoors. At number 3 on our list is the Gas One GS8300 Camp Stove. For campers and backpackers seeking a convenient and versatile cooking solution, this stove is the perfect companion. This portable butane stove is designed with portability in mind, making it an ideal fit for outdoor enthusiasts. Despite its compact size, this stove delivers a powerful performance with its ultra-high BTU output of 8,000. Crafted with quality materials, this stove features a durable brass burner head and an easy-to-clean enamel coating. Ventilation holes ensure that this stove remains safe and reliable during use. The stove's thoughtful design allows it to fold into a small space for storage and easy portability. When fully extended, it can support pots and stoves, providing a stable cooking surface. Setting up this stove is a breeze. Simply follow the minimal directions provided, which include helpful pictures on the box. Open the cover and rotate the body to a 90-degree angle, then pull the middle grate outwards to extend the grates to the ready position. Insert an 8 ounces butane cartridge into the compartment and close the cover securely, and this stove is ready to use. This stove features an electric piezo ignition, offering hassle-free ignition with a simple push of a button. The durable push and turn control knob allows users to easily manage the cooking temperature, ensuring precise control over their culinary creations. Whether you're in the yard or on the go, this stove is a perfect cooking companion. Its compact size, roughly that of a 32 ounces water bottle, allows for easy storage in any bag or small space. Whether you're camping, hiking, or having a quick cookout, this portable stove provides the convenience and performance you need. In conclusion, this stove is a reliable and versatile cooking solution for campers and backpackers. With its high BTU output, convenient portability, easy setup, and precise temperature control, is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a compact and efficient cooking experience. At number 4 is the Wild Windstar X3 Camping Stove. When it comes to backpacking and outdoor adventures, having a reliable and compact cooking system is essential. This stove is designed with a compact and lightweight design, making it perfect for backpacking. This stove can pack the stove base, pan support, fuel stabilizer, and even a 110 grams canister inside its 0.8-liter pot. The handle and lid have a lock design, ensuring secure carrying without any loose parts. The pot itself is made of sturdy and lightweight hard anodized aluminum, guaranteeing durability for years of outdoor use. This camping stove features fast boiling capabilities, allowing you to save fuel and time. With its improved high-efficiency burner and heat exchanger, it can boil 0.5 liters of water in just 2 minutes. The enclosed wind resistance design further enhances its efficiency, making it save up to half the fuel compared to traditional systems. This means you can spend more time enjoying your outdoor activities and less time waiting for water to boil. Reliable ignition is crucial, especially in tough terrains and cold weather conditions. This camping stove is equipped with a durable piezoelectric igniter that works well even in cold temperatures. You can easily adjust the heat from a light simmer to a full boil, making it perfect for various cooking needs such as simmering soup, frying bacon, making coffee, and more. Safety and ease of use are prioritized in this camping stove. The pot is covered with an insulating cozy to keep your food warm in winter conditions. The foldable handle ensures you can cook without the risk of burns, providing convenience and safety in handling hot pots. The integrated design, including the fuel stabilizer and pan support, enables you to set up the pot or pan stably anywhere, making it versatile for different cooking setups. In conclusion, this camping stove is a reliable and efficient cooking system for outdoor enthusiasts. Its compact design, fast boiling capabilities, reliable ignition, and safety features make it a perfect companion for backpacking and outdoor adventures. At number 5 on the list is the Camp Chef Pro 90X Camp Stove. This stove is designed with performance, convenience, and durability in mind. With its 90,000 BTU total output, this stove offers a matchless ignition and a 16 inches by 38 inches cooking grate, allowing you to cook anything from simple meals to gourmet dishes. The 3-sided windscreen helps to protect the burners from wind, ensuring consistent heat for efficient cooking. The stove's folding side shelves provide ample space for food preparation, making cooking easier and more enjoyable. The height of the side shelves is 32 inches, providing a comfortable work surface for preparing food. This stove is designed with portability in mind. The steel handle allows for easy transport, making it perfect for outdoor events, camping trips, tailgating, and more. The stove's folding legs and adjustable leg levelers ensure stability on uneven ground, allowing you to cook anywhere you like. Pairing this stove with all Camp Chef branded 16 inches accessories and RCB90 roller bag makes it a versatile outdoor cooking solution. The accessories add versatility and customization to this stove, while the roller bag makes transporting this stove easy and hassle-free. In conclusion, this stove is a high-performance outdoor cooking solution that delivers convenience, versatility, and durability. Its 90,000 BTU total output, matchless ignition, folding side shelves, and portability features make it perfect for outdoor cooking adventures. Whether you're a camping enthusiast, tailgater, or outdoor chef, this stove is a must-have in your outdoor cooking gear collection. So that's all about the 5 best camping stoves in 2023. If you think we have left valuable camping stoves, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.